आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल मार्केट 360 डिग्री में। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे फ्री टेलीग्राम ग्रुप और व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में अगर आप ज्वाइन होना चाहते हैं जहां पे हम स्टॉक के एनालिसिस के बारे में बात करते हैं, फ्री टिप्स एंड फ्री इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइसेस देते हैं। सो ऑल द डिस्क्रिप्शंस आर गिवन इन बिलो लिंक्स। तो आज हम बात करेंगे एक आने वाले आईपीओ में जो इस वीक में आने वाले वीक में लॉन्च हो रहा है, easemytrip.com। एज पर माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग काफ़ी लोग जो रेगुलर ट्रैवल करते हैं या फिर वैकेशंस या फिर बिजनेस के लिए ट्रैवल करते हैं, उन्होंने ये वेबसाइट मतलब ये पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट और ऐप को ज़रूर यूज़ किया होगा टू मेक द ट्रैवल अरेंजमेंट। तो यह एक मीन्स काफ़ी अच्छा आईपीओ है एज पर आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड दिस इज एन स्टार्टअप आईपीओ। दिस कंपनी स्टार्टेड वेरी रिसेंटली एंड फ्रॉम देयर दे हैव grown and now they are going to list on Indian stock market. So before we jump into the details about this IPO, we request please subscribe and let's move further. Agenda for this video is we talk about this IPO, about easemytrip, their services, their SWOT analysis, and your all favorite current gray market premium listing gain and other investment idea on this company. So let's start. easemytrip, travel startup. About the IPO, is a book building IPO. IPO start on 8 and close on 10th of March. Next week में price band company ने रखा है 186 to 187. Remember 187 is a cutoff price. Small issue 510 crores and retail investors quota is 35%. And lot size is 80 share per minimum per lot and the minimum investment is 14,960 rupees. Important date, IPO start on 8th of March, close on 10th of March, allotment approximately 16th and listing on both the indexes on 19th of March 2021. Now about the company easemytrip, incorporated in 2008. Very young founder. Founder is Mr. Nishant. He is just 35-year-old as on today. They are into online travel agency businesses, basically like hotel booking, flight booking, vacation packages. One of the leading online trading, online traveling agency apart from GoIbibo and India, MakeMyTrip.com. More than 50,000 travel agents they are associated with. They are tied up with more than 1 lakh hotels. They are tied up with more than 400 airlines, international and domestic, and amazing customers like from retail and corporate base. So ultimately it's a more or less startup which started to help the individuals to book the ticket conveniently sitting in home and even book the ticket all across the world. It's not limited to India. Book a hotel all across the world. Now, purpose of IPOs, they need working capital. They want to take some benefits of listing their stock in Indian stock exchange and get the public participation and corporate purpose. Now, company financial are really strong. You can see in 2018 their turnover was only 100 crore and their profit is merely 3 lakh rupees. Now, in 2019 turnover jumped little bit, but their profit jumped amazingly from 3 lakh to 24 crores, and even 2020 their turnover jump around 140 crore, but same time their net profit or profit after taxes are jumped to 35 crore. Till December 2020 their sales were around 49 crore, but their turnover is their profit is 31 crore. Turnover is low because of lockdown, restriction of international flight, restriction of hotel traveling and all. Due to that the less traveling and less movement, so the turnover is very small. Now, SWOT analysis, the one of the leading online travel agency, strong brand name, network distribution is strong, very consistent financial track record, and yes, financial are very strong. Now weakness is a very this is a very competitive industry. There are a lot of organized inorganized player in this industry, so yes, competition is much there, and there's too much commissions system, like agent, sub agent kind of, so it is hurting at the end of the day profit after taxes. Now opportunity post COVID, demand for travel and vacation have increased because people were stuck at home, people were not traveling because of the fear of COVID, but now things are easing up, they are going out, they are spending on vacation, travel, and also business traveling is now going to start. So going further, travel industry is going to stabilize. Growing number of internet users, that is one important point. Growing number of internet users are adding advantage to book the ticket at the at home, and their easy applications like their mobile application is also very convenient. People can book the ticket immediately from any place in the world. So yes, this is a very convenient, and they have very good strategy to attract the people across the retail segment with their amazing discount, their offers, and limited period flash sales of airline, hotel booking, and special discount through credit card and all that, all going to add up into grow their sales and the bottom line. Threats not much, but yeah, there are fear competition from other platforms like MakeMyTrip.com, GoIBO, etc. Now, apply this IPO or not. So let's talk about two things. What is the good thing about the company? Very strong player in the industry, young, managementship, very young blood, and innovative, strong network, strong financial, from only 3 lakh profits to 45 lakhs profit, 45 crore profit. So it's enormous, changes. Only weak points are tough competition and commission payout. Now, what about the listing gain and strategy for the listing day and what to do with the long term? So, first of all, current gray market premium is somewhere around 150. So, almost like near to 100% of the IPO cost, which is currently running in the gray market. But the most important thing is that we recommend this particular stock for super long term, because this is a unique business. It's not monopoly, but still it has a long way to go, this by businesses, and the great opportunity in the future. So yes, if you get allotment, keep this stock for a long term, and keep on adding in a small quantity with the depth in the market or correction in the shares. So our overall analysis for this stock is go subscribe this IPO with full force and look for the longer term for this particular stock, because this is a very dynamic business, and going forward this business is going to do much better than today. And again, as a disclaimer, we are not SEBI registered. Please consult your financial advisor before investing into stock market. I hope you like our video. I hope you like our analysis. If you still have question on IPO, on DMAT, on a stock, or any other query related to our stock market, please visit our Telegram channel, write to us email ID, and mostly we conduct a seminar, or let's say Zoom meeting every Saturday to talk to our members one-to-one and clear their doubts on the stock market. Hope you have a good weekend. Enjoy the Sunday, and hope this coming IPO season is going to get you a great profits. Bye bye.